a very exciting day at TechE Club today. The students did receive new t-shirts, and the t-shirts represent the fact that they are members of a club, which of course with a lot of our students is an important facet of being in elementary school, is wanting to feel like you belong to something. Within the guidelines of the t-shirts, they also receive something called Achievements, which means that they'll be receiving electronic badges for different assignments or tasks that they complete at TechE Club. And then as the tasks build and become more important and harder to accomplish, they will receive a button. They can then put the button on the t-shirt. So it's almost like, it reminds me of Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts as far as being able to show people all of the different things they've accomplished. So TechE Club is a program that we've started across the district with the idea that all children of all ability levels and ages and interests should have some experience in computer programming. They get an opportunity to build with Legos, they get an opportunity to do things with robotics. They get an opportunity to work on something called Sphero, which is a form of robotics for younger children, and also electronics. They do things with circuitry and electronics. So all good ways to build them as future members of society. At the elementary level, and multiple elementaries in Elyria have this right now, we have TechE Club. And that's a basic exploration and beginnings of all the different facets of technology that they'll be experimenting with. As they go to the middle school, it becomes more of a transitional maker space, and as part of that, they'll also be working on 3D design, which is something they don't get to do at elementary level. And then as they graduate to the high school maker space, they will be using VEX and other more advanced robotics and things, and there's actually a robotics team that comes out of the maker space and the additional things they do there, including embroidery and 3D printing. So it continues to build as they go up through the high school. I really feel like we are building them to be future members of society. From the technology aspect, that is true, but also the fact that we're providing a time for them to problem solve and create and really persevere, which for some of our students, with as instant as everything is nowadays, sometimes they need time to really problem solve, work cooperatively, and feel some difficulties in their learning so that they have to strive to get past it, figure out what they've done wrong, and then ultimately in the end feel very successful. So that will just make them better members of society no matter what their job is.
I'm working on Bloxels.
And what is that?
It's where you build the picture that they say, and then you put it in the camera, and then you build the next one.
I'm working on an electric light switch.
And how do you do that?
You take a battery, you take the switch, and you take the light, and then you hook it up to the battery.
Good job.